Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to back my YouTube channel English with Mujib. And if you are new here, my name is Mujib Rahman. I live in a small village of district Nowshera of Rose. In this video, I'm going to share you that four basic skills of English. If you want to become a good at English in everything, you should be known these four skills. If these four skills are good, it means your English is good. Yes, my dear friend. The first skill is that speaking. We all know how to speak English and speaking, the importance of speaking this time. We are living in 2026 and we know how to speak English, and if you know how to speak English, people will appreciate you, and there are a lot of benefits of speaking. If you are new guys, that I will share you a good tips about speaking and how to speak. If you are new and you should give your 10 or 15 minutes to speak English daily, you should start speaking with yourself. I know this thing, my dear friend. If you don't have another partner to speak English, you should start speaking English with yourself. I want to make you clear one thing, that when I started my English journey, I did not have another partner. I was alone. I used to speak English with myself. You have to give your 10 or 15 minutes daily to yourself. If you can do this work, it means you can speak English very well. Yes, my dear friend. If you are going to do this work, after few months, you will speak English very well. Yes, my dear friend, because speaking, it's not difficult. We made it difficult and we think it's very difficult. I want to make you clear one thing, that speaking never comes from learning. Speaking never comes from reading. Speaking never comes from writing, my dear friend. Speaking comes from speaking. The more you practice, the more you learn. It depends on you, and it's up to you how much time do you want to give your time to speak. If you are new, I know in first time you will not understand what to do, what not to do, and your mind will be making some kind of yoga. What should I do now? I want to make you clear one thing, that I have passed this thing. I have passed this time, which I want to share you, that if you are new, and I know it's very difficult to learn a new language. English is not your native language, my dear friend, and that's why I will suggest you this advice. In the beginning, you should give your 10 or 15 minutes to speak English, and after 1 or 2 months, you will speak English very well. Yes, my dear friend. Now we are going to discuss another skill. It is writing. Yes, my dear friend. We all know importance of writing, but in this time I have noticed a lot of people, they don't believe on writing, and they only think writing is not a good thing. If writing is good, it's okay, but if writing is not good, it means it's not a big deal. It's not a difficult thing. We will pass in any kind of exam. I'm not saying that we are not discussing about the exam, my dear friend. I'm telling you the four skills of English. And this is inclusive. This is as well as this is also inclusive. Writing. Writing is the best thing, my dear friend. Writing, if you don't know how to write, and if your writing is not good, it means you have no four skills of English. Yes, my dear friend. If you know how to speak English, but your writing is not good, it means you are not perfect to English. It means you are not good at English. Yes, my dear friend. Writing is a good thing, and you should know how to write, and your writing should be good. If your writing is not good, I will suggest you should write daily 2 or 4 pages. After some months, your writing will be good, because in this time, and everything possible in this time, everything is possible. If you have patience and you have courage, you can do anything in your life, whatever you want. I have told you the 2 basic skills, and the third skill is that reading. Yes, my dear friend, reading is very important in this time, and we all know how to read, and but after we can't read. I'm not saying you that you should read books, because I know I am also facing this kind of problem, that whenever I read some book, my mind became empty, and I don't understand what should I learn. And after completing books, after completing 1 or 2 pages, I don't understand what I have learned in the last page. Yes, my dear friend, because we are new and we are beginner. I am also a beginner. I'm not saying that you should read only books. No, you can read everything, whatever you read, whatever you want to do, but it should be in English. First thing is that your reading power will be increasing, and the second thing is that your vocabulary will be increasing day by day. Yes, my dear friend. We are new and we think there is no benefit of reading books, but there are a lot of benefits in reading books. We don't know, that's why we can't speak English, we can't get good command over the English. Yes, my dear friend. I have told you 3 skills, and I want to tell you the 4th skill, and it is also the last skill. It is listening. Yes, my dear friend. We all know listening is not important, and we think it's not difficult, and there is no importance in English. No, my dear friend. As far as I know, as far as people know, as far as speakers say only one thing, that if your reading, writing and speaking is good, on equal, they are very equal. Your listening power should be good as much as your speaking. Yes, my dear friend. I know, I agree. If you know how to speak English, and as well as your reading is good, as well as your writing is good, but your listening is not good, it means you can't say that your English is good. Yes, my dear friend. Let me suppose you are talking with another person and he is saying you something in English, and your listening power is weak. How can you understand his thing? And he is speaking very fast, and you will not understand what he said you. Yes, my dear friend, that's why I want to make you clear that you should increase your listening power. I am not saying you that you should give your 2 or 3 hours daily to listening, to reading, to writing, to speaking. No, my dear friend. If you are new like me, if you are beginner like me, you should start only for 10 minutes. After some month, after some weeks, you will increase your time day by day. First, you will increase your time from 10 minutes. After some month, you will not understand that how I am increasing my time. It happens with everyone, my dear friend. You are listening. That's why I am saying you that your listening power should be good, and you should. There are a lot of, in this time we have a lot of opportunities to listen any kind of language, but I am talking only the English. And you should watch movies and dramas and cartoons and podcasts, anything, whatever you want, you can watch, but it should be in English. And if you are watching any kind of content in English, and their intention, their vocabulary, and their listening, their way of talking to another person, you will catch, and your mind will be increasing day by day. You will not understand in these things within 3 or 4 days or 3 or 4 weeks. After some month, you will increasing your listening power day by day if you are consistent. I always say only one thing: if you are consistent, you can do anything in your life, whatever you want, with the help of consistency. Yes, my dear friend, consistency is the key of success. I want to make you clear one thing, that if these skills you are good, it means your English is good, and you can say my English is good, and you can give any kind of test in English. Yes, my dear friend. And if you are beginner, I will suggest you give you only 10 minutes in speaking. First, you should give your 10 minutes to speaking, reading, writing, and listening. Total, you have to give your 14 minutes to only English, only for 4 or 5 months. If you are ready to do this work, I can give you guarantees. After some month, you will understand that what I have done, and you will not understand what are you going to do. Yes, my dear friend. In this time, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible if you are ready to do this work. But if you are ready to do this work, everything is possible. You can achieve everything, whatever you want, with the help of patience, with the help of consistency. And you will not believe on yourself that we are living in 2026, and I am also, I have told you many times in my previous video, I belong from a small village. After that, I can speak English. I know I am making some mistakes, my dear friend, but I have courage to make mistakes, and I am trying to remember one thing, my dear friend. Many people try to give any test, and they failed in the first time, and they think we can't do it. It's very tough. It's very difficult. No, my dear friend. The day when you agree that I am failed, that day you failed. The day when you don't agree that I am not failed, that day you are not failed. You are trying to improve. You are trying to mistakes. Remember, my dear friend, one thing: mistakes are not your weakness. They are your teachers. And every expert was once a beginner, but they had courage to make mistakes and they had patience. Today you can see they can speak English very well and they are good English speaker. With the help of patience, with the help of consistency. Yes, my dear friend. My video is going to be long. I think I should end up this video. And if you are watching my video till now, please like my video, do comment and subscribe. We will meet on the next video.